Bonjour, welcome back to my French YouTube channel. So today I'm here again with one more letter. Like I told you last time, I'll be covering all the letters of class 10th. So let's quickly jump into today's video and we have another letter. Now by this time, you all know that what you need to do. You need to go back, pause this video, go and get a notebook and keep writing along with me so that you understand better. Let's start. Vous avez un nouveau boulot. So like I told you earlier also, letters are generally related to the lessons. Okay, so this is also one of the letter which is related to lesson number 3. Okay, which is related to job, and you've got a new job. Now you need to describe your job. Or one of the letters is also of unemployment. I'm also going to do that. Your friend doesn't have a job. So now you suggest to your friend what he or she can do to get a new job. Okay, so today's letter is about that you've got a new job. And now décrivez votre travail à votre famille. So you need to describe your work to your family. So now we know what is the format of the letter. It remains same. You can put any place here followed with date. Then you can write share. Okay, I'm writing this letter to my mother. So it's share mama. Okay, it's not share mère. Most of the time students write share mère. So it's not share mère, it's share mama. Okay. So again, you can begin the letter with Como va-tu? Tu vas bien ici à Paris. Okay, so how are you? You can keep taking different startings for the letters. Okay, the more you keep trying, the better you'll be able to write creative writing. Okay, do not restrict yourself to only one starting. Como va-tu? How are you? Tu vas bien ici à Paris. Everything is fine in Paris. Tu seras ravi. Okay, what is ravi? It means delighted. Okay? Je suis désolée. Tu seras ravi de savoir. You will be delighted to know que j'ai gagné. Gagné, it's an ER verb which means to earn. J'ai gagné un très bon emploi. Emploi, travail, emploi, it is same thing. Okay? Emploi, job. You will be delighted to know that I've earned a very good job. Qui me plaît, which pleases me a lot. Okay, till here it's clear. Je suis le directeur dans cette entreprise. You can even change the post. If you want to write a teacher, you can write that. If you want to write doctor, you can write that. And rest of the content almost remains same. So you can change the post, okay? Je suis le directeur dans cette entreprise. Just remember to pay attention to your sentences, okay? Entreprise is feminine. So C-E-T-T-E. Il y a environ 20 personnes sur mes ordres. There are around 20 people sur mes ordres who are working under me. Okay, because this post is of director. And if you don't write of director, you want to write of teacher, so you can write il y a environ 20 instituteurs ou institutrices qui travaillent avec moi. You can even write that there are 20 teachers who are working with me. Bien que je doive travailler 10 heures par jour, okay, although I must work 10 hours per day, le weekend est libre. The weekend is free. So this is a sentence that you can write for any post, okay? Mes collègues sont très sympas. My colleagues are very kind, sympa ou sympathique ou gentil, any adjective you can write, okay? La réussite de l'entreprise dépend de moi. The success of the enterprise depends on me. Alors, il faut que je travaille dur. So it's necessary that I work hard. What is dur? Hard. It's necessary that I work hard. And then you've described your post. So I told you in my last letter also, first paragraph is the introductory paragraph, wherein you are asking, hi, how are you? Everything is fine here. Then you write the middle paragraph in which you need to describe the topic, and then we end the letter. Okay, you can end the letter with different kinds of endings. Como vo papa et ma sœur. So we were writing to mother, so that's why we're asking how is Papa and my sister. Whenever you're asking about the other person, how the other person is doing, it's always c'est toujours le verbe aller. Okay, it's always verb aller. Do not translate être. Okay. L'été prochain, toute la famille doit venir à Paris. So next summer, everyone, the entire family must come to Paris. Okay. Chanvre les biens. Chanvre. Envre is which verb? It's which verb? Do you know it's which verb? You can write down the verb. It's envoyer. Okay. It's envoyer, which means to send. Okay. Un moment. So l'été prochain, toute la famille doit venir à Paris. Everybody must come to Paris. Chanvre les biens. Enverrer, envers, it's the futur simple, it's the future tense of the verb. Envoyer, which means to send. I'll be sending the tickets. Tu t'amuseras bien. T'amuseras, again, it's the verb s'amuser, which means to enjoy. Again, you can use futur simple, you'll be enjoying a lot. Paris est une belle ville. It's a beautiful city. Okay, and then we were writing to mother. So here it's written office. If a girl is writing, she can write, I'll give you different options. If a girl is writing, she can write Tafi. So you can keep on changing. Okay, you can keep on changing. And here also in this letter, it's just a format of the letter that I'm giving you. If you want to try your own lines, please put it down in the comments below and I'll check those lines for you. I'll be more than happy to help. Okay, so see you next time with another video. And if you want me to make video for any topic, put it down in the comments below. Au revoir.